The life science sector, which is one of the sectors that I've been, studying and investing for the last 15 years, is the sector, with the tremendous opportunity in the future, and is concerned every person in the planet.
Warsaw Stock Exchange is one of the fastest growing stock exchanges in Europe, and the one that have approximately 50% of turnover generated by foreign investors. Is a very interesting market for them, especially because the smaller companies in the United States or in Canada are not well recognized. Here in Poland they will be a mid-sized or even big-sized companies, so they will attract a lot of interesting investors, especially institutional investors.
Milestone is a worldwide company. We're in 60 countries throughout the world. We've been active in the dental sector in Poland for about 10 years, very successfully. Our dental product is a well-accepted product in dentistry in Poland from a company out of Krakow. So we've been here a number of times, and we're looking forward to working with the exchange here. We think the exchange is a wonderful venue, particularly with the new marketplace they've opened up. So we're quite interested.
I think there were two opportunities discussed predominantly in this conference. One was bringing American companies to investors who follow the Warsaw Stock Exchange. And I think that that's a terrific opportunity because we have a fairly well-developed biotechnology marketplace in the United States, for example, and I think it's great to have more investors participating in it. The other side of it was bringing companies from Poland to the United States investors, and there I can't speak professionally about it, but I know that many of the other companies that I speak at conferences in the United States are from Israel, many from Israel, and others from other countries around the world, China. So it would be interesting to have more Polish companies represented at these conferences.
We really appreciate the opportunity to present over here, and I think it's a very good idea because this raises our profile also in Poland, and as Poland is an emerging market, it's very interesting, so it's a brilliant idea.
The life sciences sector is a sector that I think people should invest in, and I think by bringing the experience of kind of international investors and international companies to the exchange and to the investors here is I think a very good thing for the long term. I think Polish investors will increasingly look not to just Polish companies but international companies to deploy investments to, and I think this is a very good start.
We can offer American entrepreneurs the largest market in CE region, the market with a modern infrastructure, with a strong community of investor, institution and business partners. So I strongly believe that the companies from US or Canada may raise money here because the money is available in Poland.
If I was to list, I think in Europe in general, I would like to list here versus the FTSE or some of the other exchanges. The reason being is I think you attract interesting sets of capital that you wouldn't normally get. FTSE in the UK, a lot of those folks already invest in the US on the New York Stock Exchange, so there's a lot more crossover versus Polish, where you're going to get a lot of Russian and other investment, I think.
Today's discussion show that there are some products which can be presented to American investors, and they are really interesting to learn about this product and to discuss about the further cooperation, I think, cooperation and investment.